Obsesos con el leto, Fipologiata, Pacosecuyata, Ficumungerata, Sipietaman, Funana, Sete, Zenula, Dananoastas, Sinalta, Negresare, Nastre, Sinini, Duce, Canana, Peca, Sinvesesti,
De ce lucra?
Dice, Avecla,
Amin.
Hi, my name is Andrea Carson. I'm from Detroit, Michigan. I'm here working in Nicorast, Romania at Casa Elizabeta. At this house there's 10 wonderful kids here, and what I do is I play with the kids all day, and we do all sorts of activities ranging from school, which is reading, writing, mathematics, and then we also do arts and crafts, painting, just little crafty stuff. Just basically having fun with the kids all day, making sure they're in a great environment and having fun and are happy. So come out to nice Romania. There's all sorts of seasons here. The weather's great right now. It's summertime. It's nice and hot. Kids love the pool. In the wintertime, it's very snowy and cold. So just come on out to Romania. It's a blast.